We are in my mom's kitchen today. We're down here visiting in Arizona. And as you can see, this kitchen is beautiful and huge and spacious compared to mine. So I wanted to take full advantage. I'm just going to cook up something really simple. We grabbed a few ingredients. It will certainly be lazy cooking, and it's one of my favorite meals that I make all the time. So let's get started.
You'll only need 6 ingredients for this dish, and it will make 4 meals, and you only need a pot and a tray. Put a pot of water on to boil and salt the water. I googled, the salt does not help the water boil faster, it just flavors the pasta. I'm getting the broccoli ready to roast, and if you have not been eating roasted broccoli, what are you doing with your life? Seriously, I would eat it breakfast, lunch, and dinner if I had the choice. It's better than chips, it's better than everything, so go roast you some broccoli. No more steaming, no more gross microwavable bags of broccoli. So all I'm doing is I'm drizzling the florets, which have been broken up into evenly sized pieces, with olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper, and then I'm just tossing it all together. Make sure it's evenly spaced on the tray before it goes into the oven. I think I had the oven around 350 here, and I usually cook it for around 15 minutes. Dump in your chickpea pasta. I like Banza, and don't forget to stir it because it does tend to stick together. If you've been wondering why I was a sweaty mess this entire video, the air conditioning was broken and I was running the oven. So I paused to hydrate, but I also paused to grab a cocktail. If you've never used chickpea pasta before, you will see this kind of mysterious foam at the top of the water while your pasta's cooking. That's totally normal. It's okay. You can scrape it away. It is just from the chickpea flour. About halfway through, you're going to want to pull your broccoli out and just kind of toss it around to make sure that it roasts evenly. With chickpea pasta, your pasta should be extra al dente. Dump out the water, put it right back into that same pot. I am using a vegan pesto because I love that there is not a ton of cheese in it. Pesto is still pretty high in calories, so go easy on it. You've got plenty of other flavor in there with the pistachios, which I'm using unsalted. And then of course the roasted broccoli is going to really kick it up a notch. You do have to be a little bit patient with the broccoli. I am not a patient person, so use this opportunity to finish your cocktail or to do some amazing dance moves. The pièce de résistance. Your broccoli should look like this. Delicious, toasty, a little crispy, but not burnt. You can divide it up into 4 different containers. I have 1 ready for dinner, and then 3 meal prepped for the next few days. I like to add some vegan Parmesan to this dish. I put it in between the pasta and the broccoli that I put on top, so that it gets a little bit melty. I really love this vegan Parmesan, but you could obviously use the real thing as well. If anything is left over, we are members of the No Broccoli Left Behind Association, so enjoy, and there is your final dish.